Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mac. In this video, I am going to show you how to download Windows 11 Insider Build ISO files. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like it and subscribe to the channel. To achieve this, we are going to take help of nifty service name UUP dump that helps in creating and downloading ISO file of any build of Windows 11. So let's learn the steps. In your browser, visit uupdump.net and hit enter. I will add the link in a description. On the home page, you will find latest build for different release type of Windows 11 like Beta, Dev and Canary. You can also click here on Canary channel option to find all the available builds in Canary channel like this. Just like that, you can click on Dev channel to find builds in the channel. For this tutorial, let's download ISO file of the latest build of Windows 11 in Canary channel. Here, depending on your device architecture, click on 64-bit or ARM. I will go with 64-bit. So the latest build number is 28020.1611. Now click on the link. Here you need to choose language for the ISO. Use this drop down, select the language depending on your region. I will go with English United States and then click next. Here you need to select what edition you want to include in the package. You can go with Home and Pro, but I will check Pro because that is what I needed. And then click Next. On this screen, go for default options unless you need a modification. Like for download method, select Download and Convert to ISO. In conversion options, include updates, Windows Converter only. At last, click on the Create Download Package. This will download the zip file on your PC. Right click on the zip file and select Extract All. Now folder will open with these files. Depending on your operating system, run the file. I am using Windows PC, so I will run this file. Make sure your PC is connected to internet when you perform upcoming steps as it's required to download the files to create ISO. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Click Run and when UAC dialog box appear, click Yes to continue. Now you will see this command prompt window. To start the ISO creation process, type R and hit enter. So ISO creation process is started and now you need to sit tight. The script will do all the work for you. The process will take time depending on your machine configuration and internet speed. So you need to wait for few minutes. For me, the process took around 30 to 40 minutes. It's possible that for you it could take less or more. I am fast forwarding the process to make this video short. Once ISO is downloaded, you will see this finished. Either enter 0 or Q to exit the command prompt window. After that, open the same folder that you extracted using the zip file in the initial steps. On the top, you will find the ISO build of Insider build of Windows 11. Now you can use it the way you want. I know it's time consuming process, but as of now, this is the only way to download Windows 11 Insider ISO files. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.